Hi everybody, our lesson today is convert metric units of length. First we have to know that 1 kilometer equals 10 exponent 3 meter or equals 1000 meters. 1 meter equals 10 exponent 2 centimeters or equals 100 centimeter. 1 meter also equals 10 exponent 3 millimeter or equals 1000 millimeters. 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. Now we can use this information to convert from a unit to another unit. Here we have centimeter. We want to convert 10 centimeters to become meters. First here we know this. If we have 10 centimeters, and we want to change it to meter, we have to divide every time. If you convert from a smaller unit to bigger unit, you have to divide by what? Divide from here. 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. I will divide now by 100. 10 divided by 100. Every time if you divide by 100, move the decimal point 2 steps to the left. Now the answer is 0.10. If we have another question here, if he said convert 10 exponent to 3, 10 exponent to 3 centimeter equals how many meter? By the same way, we will divide by 100. But 10 exponent to 3 equals 1000. Now 0 goes with a 0, then another one. Now the answer is 10. 10 exponent 3 centimeter equals 10 meters. Now if I have 58 meter equals how many millimeter? If you change from meter to millimeter, you have to multiply. Multiply by what? By 1000, because every meter equals 1000 millimeter. The answer 58 multiplied by 1000, the answer is 58,000. But if we have 1000 millimeter, 1000 millimeter, and I want to change to become centimeter. Here to convert from millimeter to centimeter, you are converting from smaller unit to larger unit. You have to divide how many? It's 10. Why 10? Because 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeter. Every time, don't forget this rule, small rule. 0 goes with 0. Now we still have 100. The answer now is 100. If I have a question like compare lengths, and I want to compare using greater than, smaller than, or equal, and I have 9,000 meter compared to 20 kilometer. First here, every time, if you can't compare unless you have the same kind of units. But here meter, but here centimeters, kilometer. We have to convert kilometer to become meter. Why we pick kilometer? Because kilometer is bigger and multiplication is easier than divide. Here we convert from kilometer to meter by multiplying by 1000. Now 20 multiplied by 1000, the answer is 20,000 meter. Now which one is the bigger here? Yes, 20,000 meter is bigger than. If we have another question like this, and we have 400 centimeter, and the other side was 4 meter. By the same way, meter is bigger than centimeter. I will convert meter to become a centimeter by multiplying by 100. Now the answer is 400 meter. 4 multiplied by 100, the answer is 400. Now I can compare between them. Yes, they are equal. Now with another type, or we can complete the converting each unit of length, and we have 10 meter equals how many centimeter? To convert from meter to centimeter, we multiply by 100. From bigger unit to smaller unit, we have to multiply. 1 meter equals how many centimeters? Equals 100. Now the answer is 1000. Another, if we have 0.8 kilometer and we want to convert kilometer to become centimeter. If we don't know the relation between kilometer and centimeter, how we can solve this kind of a problem? But we know the relation between kilometer and meter. Now we can convert from kilometer to meter, then we can convert from meter to centimeter. In first step here, we will move or we convert kilometer to become meter. Then after we finish, we can convert to centimeter. To convert from kilometer to meter, we have to multiply by 1000. 0.8 multiplied by 1000. I will move the decimal point 3 steps to the right. 1, 2, 3. I need 2 zeros here. It will become 800. Now to convert from meter to centimeter, we will multiply by 100. Now the answer is 80,000. Now every time if you don't know the relation directly from kilometer to centimeter, you can use a unit between them. Between kilometer and centimeters, meter, you can convert to meter, then from meter you can convert to centimeter. This is a simple way to convert from a unit to another unit. Now if you have 48,000 millimeter and you want to convert this millimeter to become meter. From a table, we know that we have to divide by 1000 because every 1 meter contains 1000 millimeter. Zeros goes together, but we still have 48. Now with another type of question here, if we have a table, how we can deal with the table? He said here complete, and we have a table. The table contains two kinds of units, half kilometer, and here is meter. We know this. Every 1 kilometer equals 1000 meter. But here he gave me only the meter, 500. Now we take out 500 meters equals how many kilometers? The upper part is kilometer. We have to divide by 1000. 500 divided by 1000, the answer is half. Or move the decimal point 3 units to the left. It will become 0.5. Now the answer here is 0.5. The next one, he gave us here 0.1. Now to convert from 0.1 kilometer to become meter, we will multiply by 1000. Now we have to move the decimal point 3 units. This means I need 2 zeros. Now the answer here is 100 meter. If we have 0.2, The same way, I will take 0.2 kilometer to become meter. I will multiply here by also 1000. I will move the decimal point 3 on its 1 to 3. I need two zeros. It will become 200. We will stop here and thank you for listening.